As the cool weather creeps up on us, homes across the country are starting to heat up. But staying warm in the winter isn't cheap. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, the average monthly energy bill hovers around $120 a month, with heating taking up roughly 29% of it. So, other than having your dad hang out and tell you to suck it up and put on a sweater, how can you spend less money and energy? That's where smart thermostats come in. On this week's Ask Safewise, we're wondering, what are smart thermostats and how do they work? Smart thermostats are nothing new. We've had programmable ones since the 1980s, but the devices like Nest and ecobee are a little different. Just like a traditional thermostat, smart thermostats connect with your HVAC system to control the temperature in your home. The big difference is that smart thermostats are Wi-Fi connected, so they work with more than just your heating and cooling. These smarts give you remote control through a mobile app or even your voice.
Alexa, what is the temperature in my house?
72 degrees.
And if you want to get really fancy, you can include them in home automations or program them to sense your phone, so the temperatures adjust as you get home or head out. All these extras allow your thermostat to learn your routine and home environment so it can adjust accordingly and cut back on excess energy. Smart thermostats aren't mysterious. Like we said before, they work very much like traditional models. You adjust the temperature, the thermostat adjusts with it. But the onboard sensors and guts of the thing is where the magic really happens. The motion sensors inside the thermostat can tell whether there's people home who need to be warmed or cooled, as well as environment sensors to read things like temperature, humidity, and light that can affect your energy use in your home. So using these, your thermostat can adjust automatically to keep everything in energy-saving mode. And finally, they're Wi-Fi enabled. That's the smart part. This allows your thermostat to communicate with the rest of your home, the app, and the smart hubs inside. Start by looking at the wiring in your current thermostat. This is what the wiring looks like for a Nest thermostat, for example. All those little colored wires allow the device to communicate with your HVAC system. But homes with different heating and cooling methods will have different setups. Mine, for example, only has 2 wires because I don't have central heat or air. You'll need to make sure the thermostat you want is compatible with your home. We have a list of our favorites on Safewise if you want to check those out. Thankfully, there are ways to work around your wiring, but it might require a little homework on your part or hiring a professional installer. Next, we recommend looking for smart thermostats with an Energy Star rating. To get this rating, smart thermostats need to meet a list of requirements. The rest is up to you. If you have an Amazon Echo or Google Home, most smart thermostats work with these platforms so you can control it with your voice. You don't have to wander around your house wrapped up like a 7-layer burrito if you don't want to. Investing in a smart thermostat costs between $100 and $300, but they pay for themselves after a couple months. Like I mentioned before, you can see our favorite smart thermostats on Safewise. We've dropped a link to those reviews in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We come out with new videos every week. And if you have a question for us, tag us in the comments with Ask Safewise. Thanks for watching and stay safe.